Hi friends, myself Narmada. Today I am going to talk about the data flow task again. So in my previous video, if you see, we just talk about how to load CSV file to the MS SQL Server. But in this tutorial, we are just going to check how you can load the Excel file to the MS SQL Server table object. Okay, so let's start. Create new SSIS package, rename it. Okay, for doing data flow, what task you have to use, data flow task you have to use. Just double click this and just define the source and destination in the data flow. What is this data source you need to use? Here Excel, because we are going to load data from the Excel source, right? So then destination, what destination? I'm going to choose OLEDB destination because I'm going to load data from Excel source to MS SQL table object. Okay. Now you have to define the connection manager for the source and you have to choose which file data you are going to load. Just create new connection manager, browse the file, customer file. This is the Excel file. Just open it. First row has a column names and then click OK. Then select the sheet name. First sheet name it will be display automatically. Okay. These are all the columns already present. Click OK. Now just flow the source to destination by clicking this arrow. Then open the OLEDB destination. Create new OLEDB connection to connect SQL Server. Okay. The driver you have to choose a Microsoft OLEDB driver for SQL Server. Click OK. Then select the server name. I'm using window authentications. Inside catalog, you can use it. HCM. I'm just using HCM because this is my database. Just test the connection. Click OK. Click OK. Then select data access mode as fast load because this will be load fastly. So then select the table name. In this case, I don't have any table name present in my SQL server for the customer source. Okay, I'm creating new. So it automatically creating column name, right? The default table name, all thing. The column name in the source, whatever there, the same thing has been created here. Okay, then just rename the table name based on your wish and requirement, right? So then click OK, select mapping. You see, based on the source column, automatically mapping happened. Okay, click OK, then save it. Now just go and check the customer table. It's created automatically because since you as soon as you just click this new and create, right? So new table, and once you given the new table name, it automatically it will be created here. Okay, then start to run. See, 1000 records loaded. Now select the data. 1000 records loaded. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. And if you like, just please subscribe this channel and also just comment me if you have any clarification. Once again, thank you so much.